What's up, guys? Brian here, Amazing RC. We're out testing our entry into DRIFTOMANIACS Speedrun Challenge. Now, apparently this one, we're supposed to drive directly at ourselves and jump over it. So, I've been wanting to get into his speedrun challenges for a while now. Now, I told Richie that I'm a one-man show over here most of the time, so I'm going to have to shoot this in POV and then jump over it. So the camera's actually going to be on the car, so you're going to watch it go directly underneath my feet. Hopefully we're not going to kill ourselves, but we're going to give a little bit of a test here and see if I don't crush the car. Woo! Well, that whole jumping over the car thing is nowhere near as easy as it looks. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I like what I see here. Basically, as soon as I got up to speed, or at least close to speed, it wanted to spin out. So I kind of got off of the throttle a bit, eased into the accelerating, and I got 2-3 real good runs in there that I should have a top speed. Let's head back to the shop now, guys, and we'll see what we got, and we'll go from there. So last night I'm building this car. Basically, I had this really cool body that I got from a very good friend of mine a long time ago, and it was about, I don't know, this much longer. I guess it's supposed to be for maybe a drag race car or a speedrun car. It's good and thick, and I really, really dig it. I hadn't really had an application for it yet, so last night I grabbed it out of the closet and I started to mount it to this car. But then the bell ringer went off, and I found that Richie down at DRIFTOMANIACS has a brand new challenge. And if for some reason you haven't seen the video yet, I'll definitely have a link somewhere around here for you to get in touch with Richie down at DRIFTOMANIACS, and you can check out the speedrun challenge there. Now, aside from telling you all the rules about it, I'm just going to tell you the one that I'm going to enter. So he has 2S and 3S entries available for your touring cars, your monster trucks, and everything in between. This one, however, is going to enter the final speedrun that he has, which has a bit more danger involved in it. And this speedrun, you're specifically going to have to jump over your vehicle as it comes at you at top speed. So Richie, we're going to get you a really cool entry and a great video attached to it. This car is the one that I'm going to use with that entry. This is my HSP. It's a touring car. I've had this thing with all kinds of different bodies on it. All Richie said is that it has to have the stock electronics, and by electronics he means the ESC in the motor. Now, as you can see, this car still has the stock HSP, ESC, and motor inside installed. The only thing that I've done to the car myself is I swapped out the rubber for new ones, and I also put a Trackstar steering servo in it, as well as the Traxxas receiver and transmitter combo. So Richie, here's my car. It's the HSP touring car. This is what I'm going to enter as a 3S model. We're going to go into the jump over your speedrun car challenge. I will keep you guys posted as to how this car turns out, and we will let you know when our official entry video is on its way. Until then, guys, remember that we also have the Komodo full review video is coming. Guys, I really appreciate all of your support. It's Brian, Amazing RC. We'll get you guys another very cool video real soon.